Hi, I'm Scott with the Youth Services Department of the Mid-Continent Public Library, and I'm going to show you how to make this paper engineering where we're going to make some prisms and some cylinders and see how much weight they can hold. This project you don't need very much. We're going to supply you with some paper, you're going to need some scissors and some tape, and then something to put on top of these once they're done to see what can hold the most weight. So I have these little journals that I got at a craft store. So you're going to want to take your paper and you're going to fold it in half, but this time you're going to do it hot dog style. So then, to make it a little bit easier, we're going to open it and we're just going to cut along this middle crease. So then we're going to take one half. The first one is the easiest, and we're just going to make a cylinder. So you're just going to kind of fold it in a round version and tape it just like that. All right, so now these other two are going to be a little bit trickier. So you're going to make a triangle prism and a rectangular prism. So in order to do the triangle, we need to fold the paper in 2/3. But in order to make this easier to tape together, we're going to make some little edges, some little overlap that we can tape together. And you're going to do that on both ends. When you make your triangle, these two pieces will go together so that it'll be easier for you to fold and tape. So there's my triangle, and then we're going to do the rectangle in a similar way, except we're going to fold it into quarters. Again, we're going to do a little bit of overlap. And then we have sort of a rectangle or a parallelogram, just like that. So then you have your three shapes and you can start testing them. So you want to make sure you stack things in the same order on all three shapes. So 1, 2, 3. That held 3 journals. And then we'll try this one. I'm going to do in the same order. So 1, 2, 3. You want to make sure the things that you use are roughly the same size and that you put them on in the same order. So we'll try the triangle. 1, 2, 3. Keep stacking stuff to see which one turns out to be the strongest.